morning, everybody. Welcome back to Getaway Yoga. My name is Lamaj, and I wanted to drop off a quick morning yoga sequence for you guys. I am currently in Las Vegas, so I wanted to bring you guys to a treasured park. This is one of my favorites for sure. There's so many elements of this park, so it's a perfect place to practice our yoga this morning. Make sure you guys are all subscribed, and I'm going to flip this camera around and show you exactly where we are. All right, folks, so we are visiting Exploration Peak Park, and it is one of my favorite parks here in Las Vegas, Nevada. One of the things that popped in my mind this morning is that Las Vegas is definitely not known for its greenery, right? And when you think of the desert, you just think of cactus and lizards and rocks and, things of that nature, which are typical desert features. But we also have some incredible parks here, and this is definitely one of my favorites. It's about 80 acres big, and there includes lots of activities. There's a volleyball court, there's a Western themed kiddie park, there's a water play area, plenty of walking and bike trails, picnic areas, there's an outdoor amphitheater. They're all spread out all throughout the land, but I just wanted to show you guys the greenery of this location. So the name Exploration Peak Park, the peak of it is referring to that right up there, which I will be climbing after yoga. I'll take a hike up there. It's about 3,000 feet tall, and it's a natural mountain peak. So that is the height of the park. The views up there are pretty incredible of the Las Vegas Valley. So make sure that you stay tuned after yoga so you can see those incredible views. But in the meantime, let's embrace all this greenery, and I will meet you on the mat. All right, everybody, let's get started with a nice morning practice to start our day. Just go ahead and take a nice seated position, whichever one feels comfortable for you. And we're going to focus on those deep inhales, of course, and those peaceful exhales. I also want you to bring your palms together and just rub them at your own pace. We're just going to create some energy and some heat in between our hands. So go ahead and take a deep inhale and a peaceful exhale. And don't forget to smile. That's the best way to start your day. And just keep rubbing those palms together as you feel that heat and energy rise. Another deep inhale and a peaceful exhale. Now I want you to take one hand and place it over your heart and another one over your stomach, as you allow that energy that you created to radiate through your body. And just take a moment to check in with yourself. How are you feeling this morning? I hope it's something positive that you're feeling. I hope you're feeling rested. I hope you're feeling at peace this morning. But if not, it's okay. We all have those rough mornings. But just take a moment to acknowledge how you're feeling. And you can decide in this moment if you want to keep this energy that you have or if you want to replace it with something better for your day. So just take another deep inhale right where we are and a peaceful exhale. And don't forget to smile. All right, so you can go ahead and release those hands all the way out. Let's get a nice stretch in our shoulders, all the way radiating through our wrists. Just one side at a time as you extend that shoulder forward. And go ahead and rest your right palm down as we allow our left hand to cross all the way over. Get a nice side bend in. And let's go ahead to the other side. Take your time with this as you feel a full extension all along your back, your shoulder, radiating all the way to your fingertips. And once more on the right side. And just reach. Wiggle those fingers. And once more on the other side. Just stretching out all those kinks as we slept through the night. Gotta wake everything up. So we're gonna do some nice neck rolls. So go ahead in a circular motion. Pick whichever direction you want to start with. And as you're rolling your neck, try to make your ears touch as close to your shoulders as you can. Allow your chin to touch your chest. And as you rotate to the back, just let your head fall all the way back. Just keep those things in mind as you are rolling in your circles. And when you're ready, go ahead in the other direction. Go ahead and take your time with it. And when you're ready, we're gonna go in a yes motion. So allow your chin to touch your chest and allow your head to fall all the way back. And when you're ready, we're gonna go on our no. Just extend all the way over to your shoulder on each side. And let's go for one more round of neck rolls. Direction you want. And go in the opposite direction. And extend your hands forward. We're just going to rotate our hands. I'm going in the right direction. Just work all those kinks out in those wrists of yours. And when you're ready, go in the other direction. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the top of our mats for a nice round of sun salutations. That's an awesome way to start your day, of course. So go ahead and roll your shoulders back, palms facing forward. Take a deep inhale right here. And exhale. Take another deep inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to extend your hands all the way up to the sky and into your back bend. And exhale all the way down to a forward fold. Inhale halfway up. And exhale all the way back down. Take a deep inhale as you extend your right foot back into your lunge. And hold your breath into your plank. Exhale all the way down to your mat. Flip those feet as we inhale up to our upward dog. And exhale to your downward dog. Inhale as we bring that right foot back. And exhale to our forward fold. Inhale all the way up into your back bend. And exhale, hands heart center. One more time, take a deep inhale, extend those hands all the way up to the sky into your back bend. And exhale all the way down to your forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale all the way back down. Inhale as you step your left foot back into your lunge. Hold your breath through your plank. And exhale all the way down to your mat. Flip those feet. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale your left foot back up to your lunge. And exhale to your forward fold. Another deep inhale all the way up to your back bend. And exhale down, hands heart center. So go ahead and make your way halfway to your mat. And we're just going to extend our hands all the way up. And we're going to do a nice motion just to wake everything up. So as you extend down into your forward fold, I just want you to roll up on your right in a circular motion, just extending your entire body all the way down. And just go at your own pace. Just make sure you extend all the way down and extend all the way up. And let's go in the opposite direction. It's a nice way to wake everything up. One more full circle. And bring those hands back down, heart center. So that was just a quick morning routine that you can do to start your day. Make sure that your energy is right. I hope that you all have an incredible day. I hope you're feeling stretched out and ready to be incredible, amazing person that you are. Make sure you spread lots of love today, lots of positivity, lots of kindness, and I wish you guys the best day ever. I'll see you next time. Namaste.